My name is Nancy Johnson. I'm an attorney and a graduate of Howard University School of Law, class of '93. The goal of this chapter is to enlighten law faculty and legal employers as to the experiences of minoritized and marginalized law students and lawyers, to effectuate changes that lead to environments of learning and working where such students and professionals excel. Significant portions of this text will be devoted to sharing with the reader the experiences that create the unsafe space for various types of students and professionals within these groups. This will include drawing on my own experiences as a student and in almost 30 years of being in the legal profession. Building on the described experiences, I will more analytically set forth for the reader the exclusions and disparities that occur in law school and the legal profession. Ultimately, I will conclude with discussing solutions incorporating anti-racist principles to create such a safe space. I wrote about this topic because it was the topic that I was most familiar with. The Institute encouraged thinking from a personal perspective about the issues that the Institute will be addressing. So for me, my experiences as a minority and as a marginalized person gave a unique perspective that I felt would enhance the work of the Institute to provide the level of empathy that others may need to be able to understand how to approach anti-racism principles. I thought that was an area in which I could provide valuable insight. The Antiracist Development Institute, it means a lot to me. I feel like it gives you a space and a structure to be able to deal with the issues and not just have feelings about the issues. It sets forth a more logical, but yet empathetic approach to addressing systemic racism, inequalities in institutions. It gives you a whole framework to talk about the issues, to set aside feelings, and to put them in a logical context of how can you understand how another person is feeling and how can you use your understanding to solve problems and make changes.